Hello everyone, it is Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I have this lovely box here sent over by the great folks at Esterbrook. It is their writing bundle and I'm very excited to show you what is in here. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to show you this box. Look at that embossing detail. How fun. I love that it's just a very compact, very simple box, and then when you open it, ooh, I haven't actually opened this yet, so you are going to get my first impressions of it. And I just want to make sure I'm actually in the screen here so you'll see. And there's loads of fun in it. Why do some words feel playful, names look special, or cards seem happy or sad when written? And what does your handwriting say about you? Discover the Happy Writing Manual and transform your handwriting forever. And then you have, oh gosh, this is like thick. I don't know what this is, but it's thick. And you've got examples of handwriting there. And then you have a few things in here. First, you have this notebook. Oh, I love the look of that. And then it's got the lined paper, and this is where you could do the practicing for your handwriting. And then alongside that, you've got, ooh, lovely stickers. Is this like childproof? Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong side. Hello. Looking at these individual stickers. You've got writing matters. Oh, they all say writing matters. Oh, I love that. So there's different ones here. Oh, I like that brown and I like that purple. Of course, you guys knew that I would like those too. Then bring that back. So you've got the notebook, the stickers, you've got this, it's almost like it's like really thick blotting paper. And then you have, ooh, look at this. Oh, okay, before that, you've got this really funky, fluffy, I think it's like a pen case that, oh my gosh, how funky and bright is that? I've always wanted to have something that I could just put my pen in. I mean, I do have many pen cases, but then you can have this like hanging off your purse or something like that. So you've got the kind of keychain attachment here, but it is so fluffy. Like it's so puffy. It's like a puffer jacket. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, beautiful. And then last thing here, you have some cartridges. Now, I don't use cartridges. I'm a big fan of converters or piston fillers, but you do get 5 cartridges in here, which are black, and I think they're just like the standard international cartridges that you would get. So you could use these actually with almost any pen that uses the standard international cartridges. Oops, it would help if I had the box right way up. So in this lovely package, yeah, you get the cartridges, you get the notebook, you get the stickers, you have this lovely puffy pen case, and then you have this as well. So this is everything that is included in the Esterbrook writing bundle. If you are interested in purchasing this, there is a link in the description below. But also, I know of a few retailers that are including this writing bundle alongside the purchase of an Esterbrook Estie. Now I'm going to have to show you, if you don't know what an Esterbrook Estie looks like and you are a fan of my channel, well, I'm going to have to show you. So let's close this box here so I can show you all of my Esties. So we have Quirky Leaf, which has water on it, sorry. Then we have my Petrified Forest. Then we have my Honeycomb. Then Rainforest, then Once in a Blue Moon, then we have Lilac. That is my Estie collection, and I mean, I feel like I have to put them in like rainbow order, but this isn't like the order of like cracked ice. So along with my Esties, I also have 2 Esterbrook Model J's. We have the, I believe this is the Violet, and then the Antique Rose. So you can see that I am a big fan of Esterbrook's, both of the Estes and of the Model J's. So let me put these away. So once again, thank you to the lovely people at Esterbrook for sending me this writing bundle. If you are interested in this, you can go ahead to the Esterbrook website to purchase your own, or you can actually visit some other retailers who are including this writing bundle along with the purchase of an Esterbrook pen. And I'll include the links down in the description below. But that is it for me, a very quick peek into the writing bundle. I'm just so cute here. Oh, before I do anything else, I'm going to do a quick pen test on this paper here. And I'm going to actually just do it in the back. Oh, perfect. Oh yeah, the writing again, but look at the artwork on here. Perfect. So I'll go ahead and do a quick pen test. So doing a quick pen test on the Esterbrook notebook paper. So just write pen, test, and this is with the Esterbrook Model J in Antique Rose. And this is with an extra fine nib. And yes, I just dipped the pen. And then this currently has Robert Oster Van Pen 86, which is the exclusive with the Vancouver Pen Shop. So I'm gonna do some swatching, swirls. And the paper itself feels like you can feel the fibers on the paper. It's not smooth and coated like a Rhodia paper or a, you know, Cosmo paper. But then if we look on the back to see, actually that's really good. I'm showing you here. That's really good. Very, very little shadowing. A tiny bit of like very, very tiny bit of bleed through here. I don't even know if you can see that, but that actually does really well. And then when you look at the close-up printing, there isn't too much feathering, but I think if you had maybe a wetter ink or a broader nib, you might possibly get some feathering. Actually, let's test this out here with the Speedball B nib with this Van Pen 86 and see what that would look like. Because with Chamoy River paper, the Speedball B nib, it does shadow and bleed through, but I just want to see how it looks in terms of feathering. Okay, yeah, and in terms of like the shading that you're gonna get here, you don't really get a ton. It seems to get absorbed into the paper really, really quickly. So, you know, I think for quick notes, this would be a great one. But if you're wanting to use this paper for ink swatching or anything like that, maybe not the best. But I'll just take you close up here to see what that looks like now. You can see there's a tiny little bit of feathering that's happening here. And then when you look on the back, okay, actually that's pretty impressive. There's a little bit of bleed through, but again, not a ton. So that is the notebook that's included with the writing bundle. So once again, this is everything that's included in the writing bundle by Esterbrook. I will include a link in the description below, as well as links to other retailers who are going to be offering this alongside the purchase of an Esterbrook Esty. All right, once again, thank you to the folks at Esterbrook for sending this through, and thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.